So I want to ask every panelist one simple question for the sake of our students. Tell me one skill our students should hone right now which will help them to acquire a very good job in the future, because we are talking about past, which you have the experience, you guys have the experience, and we have the people in front of us, our students who are going to enter into the job market in the future. So I request you all to share your views on this particular topic. That tell me one skill which our students should acquire so that they can get a good job in future.
Hi all, my name is Tanmay from PGDM 21-23 batch. I need to tell you a few things to my juniors. C for commitment, C for courage, and C for continuous learning. These are all the things that you need to cater off. When you go outside of this college, it is not about what you learned into the college. It is a continuous process of learning the new things. So every day you need to adapt something which is very related to the corporate world. But at the same time, a continuous learning can play a vital role in the upcoming days of the juniors right now over here. Second thing I need to tell you, every student right now over here has a potential, and why you are here is very simple. We have a motto of redefining leading talents. So you are already a leading talents, we are redefining you. So in a process of redefining yourself, you should be very straightforward to learn the things. But at the same time, guidance plays a vital role in making you grow in a certain level. You should be a firm believer of making your people grow. Ultimately, you will be a part of making yourself grow. Last but not the least, be open to learn new things. Be open to gather something which is very productive, and each day counts. Every day you need to stay updated, because someone is getting updated from here and there. So generally I was a part of some summit, AI summit, where I was listening to a psychologist, where he was saying that wherever you go into the any kind of world, you will be dealing with humans, and humans are basically driven by two purposes. One is hunger, one is fear. Hunger to do something, and a fear of losing something. So I need to tell my juniors, stay hungry, but at the same time stay fearful also. Thank you.